Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can send Bitcoin from a crypto.com to another wallet. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then let's get started. First of all, log in into your crypto.com, and once you're logged into your account, on the home page tap on transfer, which is right on top. And as you tap on transfer, there's a drop down menu, and from the drop down menu you have to tap on withdraw, and on the other interface you have to tap on crypto since we are transferring Bitcoin to another wallet. And once again there's a drop down menu and there are a list of options. Now what you need to do is you have to select on external wallet. Next interface you'll be directed to wallet address. Now right over here, in case if you don't have the wallet address, then what you need to do is just tap on the plus icon located in the top right corner, and after that what you need to do is you have to open up the application where you want to transfer the Bitcoin and then copy the wallet address. And once you're done copying the wallet address, all you have to do is paste it right over here, and then you'll have a wallet address. And in case if you have the wallet address right over here, then all you have to do is just simply tap on it. Once you're done entering the wallet address, now you have to select the cryptocurrency. So on the other interface there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it all, and if you're sure about the detail, tap on confirm withdrawal address. And on this page you have to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer, and once you're done entering it, tap on withdraw. Once again there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it, and if you're sure about the detail, then tap on confirm. And then on the last interface you'll be notified that you've successfully transferred crypto from crypto.com to external wallet. So that is how you can send or transfer Bitcoin from crypto.com to another wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.